Hi, this is another type of ratio question that will usually appear. So for this type of question, we call it the common difference. Okay, so in the question, okay, they will have usually have two characters, either father and son, John and Mary, etc. So the question will share with you the ratio of their current age and the ratio of their age X years later. And the question will usually ask you what is their current age. Okay. Similarly, for the same type of question, they can also say that the question will mention the ratio of boys and girls in the classroom and the ratio of boys and girls remain in the classroom after X number of boys and X number of girls left the rooms. So you see the trick here is that X number of boys and X number of girls. So which means that the number of boys and number of girls that left the room is exactly the same and is similar to the age, okay, X years later. So somebody, if the two character, let's say the father age is increased by X years, the son age also increased by X years. So this is the trick to identify this type of question. Okay, so let's take a very simple example. John and Mary's in the ratio of 4:5, and after 5 years, their age is, in terms of ratio, is 5:6. So what is the present age of John? Okay, so the 4:5 refers to their age. Okay, so the solution is very simple. um, what you have here is the now. So their age difference, the ratio is 4:5. So the difference between John and Mary is 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 years later, the ratio changed to 5:6. So John and Mary, 5:6, the ratio difference is also 1. Okay, then all you need is to ensure that the ratio of D, which the difference, is similar for both now and 5 years later for both cases. So in this case, both happens to be 1. Okay, and if you compare the change in the ratio in the X, okay, so the change in ratio from 4 to 5 or from 5 to 6 is actually different. It's different by 1, and you know that that 1 unit is 5 years because it's 5 years later. Hence, John's present age, in this case, you must look at the present age, which is now, is 4U, or is equal to 4 times 5 years is equal to 20 years old. So hope that helps.